Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer commissions using PartnerStack to bank, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your commissions using PartnerStack to your bank, start by logging into your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the Payouts section on your dashboard. Here, you will see a summary of your available commissions. Select the commissions you wish to transfer. Ensure all necessary information is correct and up to date. Click on the Transfer button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payout method. Select Bank Transfer from the available options. Enter your bank account details accurately. Double-check the information to avoid any errors. After confirming your bank details, proceed to submit the request. Wait for a confirmation notification regarding your transfer. This process may take a few business days to complete. Once the funds are transferred, you will receive a notification of the transaction. You can check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, contact PartnerStack support for assistance. This concludes the process for transferring commissions to your bank using PartnerStack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.